What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be working on my 1990 240, the practice car. What we're going to be doing today is taking out most of these seat belts that we don't need anymore, hopefully fixing up the wiring that's everywhere, and we're going to probably do some little maintenance here and there. Remember when I told you guys I have a leak and it's been raining hard a couple days? Well, check this out. It's getting pretty bad, as you can see. That's been put in back. Looks a lot nicer in here. See all the parts over there? Ooh, weight reduction. Here's why you should never get a 240. Previous owners do not care how they do the repairs. Look at that. Rounded. Looks super bad. See this, how bad this is. I thought the wiring on the E30 was bad, but jeez. This is gonna be fun. I thought this pod and that pod were wired. That's why there was so much wires everywhere. But it just seems like that one is wired, and I did all this for nothing. I just need to clean that up then. What a waste of time. We're gonna see if we could wrap that up in electrical wiring. Maybe put something over that to make it look nice. Take this off. I don't know, it seemed like something was living in there at one point. Don't need that anymore. I'll give this a degreasing, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Yeah, something must have been living in there. Crazy. Looks a lot nicer now. A bit dirty, but nice. Well, guys, I found another problem. So, I thought it was leaking in here too, but it's like oil or some type of fluid, and it's everywhere. 240 problems, man. Let me tell you about them. Start off with is I got the stock exhaust, since this is extremely loud, and let me show you why. Massive crack underneath. Seemed like it tried to get repaired by some putty, but still too loud. So I'm gonna be changing that out, so I'm not trying to get pulled over. We're gonna be taking stuff out of the interior and probably out of the engine bay. We'll see. Bolts out that connect to the cat, and as you can see, we're having an exhaust leak. That's not fun. Plus the cracked muffler. No wonder why it was so loud. So the main reason why I'm switching out the exhaust are here in California, with all these street takeovers, all these sideshows, it's been hard modifying your car. Cops could literally pull you over for anything now. Just because you have aftermarket wheels and it seems suspicious, they could pull you over. It's garbage, but what can you do? So I got the old exhaust out. Here, let me show you why it was so loud. It's because I had so many exhaust leaks, plus the crack on the muffler was not helping. Like, if you can see, literally almost stick my finger in there. Right here, look at that gap. Like, they didn't even try to bolt this down or anything. But now we're going stock. Won't bring any attention to myself, hopefully. Everything's back on. I'm gonna give you guys a little startup on how it sounds now. Got my little motorcycle jumper here, charging it. Let me show you. connected to Bluetooth, it disconnected, but here it is. Not too loud. It's pretty decent now. Most of the noise is coming from the engine itself. Here, let me give you a quick, some revs real quick. So, because of the intake, that's like the loudest thing now. But it's not that bad now. It's kind of better. At least I could drive it without waking up my whole neighborhood. So I guess I forgot to make an outro video. But after I installed the exhaust, I took the car out for a drive and I figured out there's way more problems. I have a fuel leak happening by the tank. There's like huge hesitation at high RPMs, and my alignment is way off. So hopefully by next video we can figure those out, or most of them, at least like the fuel leak situation. But I wanted to say thank you for staying this long. Happy holidays. Hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. Thank you to my girlfriend for getting me some new camera equipment. So we're going to have some higher quality videos coming out, hopefully. I got this GoPro Hero 7 Black. I also got this Canon T6S. So there's going to be a lot more like photography, videography, hopefully some first person views now. Like I say, thank you for you guys watching these videos. I'm so grateful. But don't forget to like, subscribe, drop some comments. Let me know what you guys want to see more, because I love getting response from you guys. Share these videos to your friends, to your friends' friends. Tell your friends to share it to their friends. Show it to your family. Thank you so much. Peace.